students, hope you will be fit and fine. My name is Swastika and today let us start chapter 2, Components of Food. Sorry, that's by mistake and I'm also confused. Actually, inside in Google it's available only in chapter 1, but in the book it's actually chapter 2. So let's start. So, in lower classes, we made lists of the food items that we eat. We also identified food items eaten in different parts of India and marked on these on its map. So, in lower classes, we have learned that we have made lists of different food items and where do these items are eaten, right? So, and we also have marked these on the maps. A meal could consist of chapati, dal, and brinjal curry, right? Other may be rice, sambar, and a vegetable preparation of lady's finger or bhindi. Yet another meal could be appam, fish curry, and vegetables. So, what is here? A meal could consist of chapati, dal, and brinjal curry. It also may contain, rice, sambar, and vegetable preparation of bhindi. And yet another would be appam, fish curry, and vegetables. So these are the regular food items that are eaten. That's common. So, in activity 1, our meals usually have at least one item made of some kind of grain. Other items could be a dal or a dish of meat and vegetables. So, our meals usually consist of at least one item which is grain, and other items could be dal or vegetable. I don't know, and sometimes meat also. And it may also include items like curd, butter, milk, and pickles, right? You have eat curd with your food, buttermilk, and pickles. Some examples of meals from different regions of India are given in table 1.1. Select food items and enter in this table 1.1. So there are some examples given in the table 1.1 and we have to fill it with the examples that we have. Sometimes we not really have all the varieties in our meals, right? If we are traveling, we may eat whatever is available on the way. It may be not possible for some of us to eat such a variety of items most of the time. So suppose you are traveling and it's summer vacation and you are traveling, right? And you are traveling with a train, so you will not be finding that what do I eat. You will just eat what is available on the train. In the train, while being in the train, you will just eat that which is available. You will not be so choosy that I will eat only this one, not this one, right? And why is it that only not all of us get the variety of food every time? Most of the time we don't, right? There must be some reason though why meals usually consist of such a distribution. Do you think that our body needs different kind of food for some special purposes? Do you know there must be some reason though why meals usually consist of such a distribution? And do you think that our body needs different kinds of food for some special purposes? I don't know. First, let's do activity 1.1 and we will fill table 1.1. Then we will go to explanation 1.1. So here it said that some common meals of different regions or states. So let's see. Region, here is Punjab given. In Punjab, they eat makki or corn, corn roti. And the item of dal or meat is rajma. You have eaten kidney beans, right? It's also called rajma. Vegetables, they eat sarso saag or mustard leaf curry. And in others, they eat curd and ghee. In Andhra Pradesh, you know, there they eat grain. I just have told you that each meal consists of at least one grain. So if it consists of one grain, that there must be anything, right? So in Andhra Pradesh, it consists of rice, and the item of dal or meat is tur dal and rasam charu. I don't know it. In vegetables, they eat kundaru, and in others, it's buttermilk, ghee, and pickle. So we have discussed about two states, and now let's move on. What do different food items contain? We know that each dish is usually made up of one or more ingredients which we get from plants or animals. These ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. These components are called nutritions. The major nutritions in our food are named carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. So, in addition, food contains dietary fibers and water, which are also needed by our body. You know, the components which are there in our food are called nutritions, and the major nutritions in our body are carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, and minerals. So in addition to the nutritions, food and water would also be as a nutrition, right? It's needed by our body. Do all food contain all these nutritions? Do you know all of the food items that we eat contain all of the nutritions that we need? With some simple methods, we can test whether cooked or raw ingredients contain one or more of these nutritions. Components of food. You know that there are the foods that contain the nutritions that we need. The nutritions are present in the food. So the food that we eat have some nutrition, some are more. So we have to check, right? If we will check, then it's a very simple method to check whether a raw ingredient or a cooked ingredient, if it is cooked or raw, and how and which ingredients are available in that food or in that component. The tests for presence of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are simpler to do as compared to the test for other nutritions. The test of carbohydrate, proteins, and fats are simpler to test with compared with other nutritions. Let us do these tests and record our observations in table 1.2. We have to do these tests, and we have to record this in table 1.2, and with the rest of the part we will do in our next video. Hope you like the video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.